7th grade Open Up Resources Illustrative Mathematics, Unit 5, Lesson 5, representing subtraction. Problem number 1. Write each subtraction equation as an addition equation. A minus 9 equals 6. We can rewrite that as A plus minus 9 equals 6. A equals 6 plus 9, or A equals 9 plus 6. B, P minus 20 equals negative 30. We can rewrite that as P plus a negative 20 equals negative 30, or P equals negative 30 plus 20, or P equals 20 plus a negative 30. C, Z minus a negative 12 equals 15. We could rewrite that as Z and the opposite of negative 12, which is positive 12, equals 15. Or Z equals 15 plus a negative 12, or Z equals negative 12 plus 15. D, X minus a negative 7 equals negative 10. We can rewrite that as X and the opposite of negative 7, which is a positive 7, equals negative 10. Or X equals negative 10 plus negative 7, or X equals negative 7 plus a negative 10. Problem number 2. Find each difference. If you get stuck, consider drawing a number line diagram. A, 9 minus 4. That's a difference of 5. B, 4 minus 9. That's a difference of negative 5. C, 9 minus a negative 4. That's like 9 and the opposite of negative 4. And the opposite of negative 4 is positive 4. So we can rewrite it as 9 plus 4. And that equals 13. D, negative 9 minus a negative 4. That's like a negative 9 and the opposite of negative 4. The opposite of negative 4 is positive 4, so we can write this as negative 9 plus 4, and that equals negative 5. E, negative 9 minus 4. That's like a negative 9 plus a negative 4, for a total of negative 13. F, 4 minus a negative 9. That's like 4 and the opposite of negative 9. And the opposite of negative 9 is positive 9. So we can rewrite this as 4 plus 9 equals 13. G, negative 4 minus a negative 9. That's like negative 4 and the opposite of negative 9. And the opposite of negative 9 is a positive 9. Negative 4 plus 9 is 5. We could rearrange the first two terms as 9 minus 4 equals 5. That makes it easier. H, negative 4 minus 9. That's like negative 4 plus minus 9, or negative 4 and negative 9. And that equals a total of negative 13. Problem number 3 from 7th grade, Unit 4, Lesson 10. A restaurant bill is $59 and you pay $72. What percentage gratuity did you pay? A gratuity is a tip. If the bill was $59 and you paid $72, the difference is $13. So the question is, what percentage of $59 is $13? 13 divided by 59 is 22 hundredths. And 22 hundredths is 22%. So the gratuity was 22%. Problem number 4. Find the solution to each equation mentally. A, 30 plus A equals 40. 30 plus what number equals 40? 30 plus 10 equals 40. A equals 10. 500 plus B equals 200. 500 plus what number equals 200? 500 plus a negative 300 equals 200. B equals negative 300. C, negative 1 plus C equals negative 2. Negative 1 plus what number equals negative 2? Negative 1 plus a negative 1 equals negative 2. C equals negative 1. D. D plus 3,567 equals 0. What number plus 3,567 equals 0? Negative 3,567 plus 3,567 equals 0. D equals negative 3,567. Problem number 5 from 7th grade, Unit 2, Lesson 3. 1 kilogram is 2.2 pounds. Complete the tables. What is the interpretation of the constant of proportionality in each case? 2.2 pounds divided by 2.2 equals 1 kilogram. 11 divided by 2.2 equals 5 kilograms. 5.5 pounds divided by 2.2 equals 2.5 kilograms. And 1 pound divided by 2.2 equals 0.45 repeating kilograms. That turns out to be 0.45 repeating kilograms per pound. 1 kilogram times 2.2 equals 2.2 pounds. 7 kilograms times 2.2 equals 15.4 pounds. 30 kilograms times 2.2 equals 66 pounds. And 0.5 kilograms times 2.2 equals 1.1 pound. This is 2.2 pounds per kilogram. Be sure to support my YouTube channel by liking this video, leaving a comment, and subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.